Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Alright, so we're just doing this video on this Maytag commercial technology. This is a 5.2 cubic feet smart capable white top load washing machine with extra power button. 943. If you guys have this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. It's got like a 10-year limited parts warranty. They probably will replace the parts if any of them break down. But it's a pretty nice looking washing machine. It's got an agitator twist to rub against clothes and loosen soils. Impeller rubs clothes against each other to clean them. Your choice of 2 washers. I'm not quite sure what that's about, but 5.2 cubic feet, boost stain fighting on any wash cycle. Connect to your Wi-Fi, more water when you want it. Pre-cycle rinsing and soaking heavy duty parts. It's got a tray for detergent and softener. I'm not quite sure what that button is, but as you guys can see, has a pretty big compartment. So the cycles are normal, regular, heavy duty, whites, sanitized with oxy. If you guys know what oxy is, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys have this, let us know like whether this is a decent washing machine to get, or if there's any kind of, if you guys have any other you guys know of any other comparable washing machines that are probably cheaper. Definitely leave a comment in the comment section. It's got quick wash, delegates, wrinkle controls, colors, drain and spin, clean washer. It's got a digital display, all this stuff. On button, obviously, all this stuff, remote enable. You can actually, I think you can probably, if you set up your YouTube account, you can probably set up a Wi-Fi account, probably an app for this. You can actually enable it. I don't know why anybody would actually need that, to be honest with you. You gotta be like really busy for that. But if you guys have this, let me definitely drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether it's a decent machine to get. It was $11.49, saved $206. Maytag commercial technology, so this is kind of heavy duty. But leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether there's a decent. Maytag's got a huge brand name that's been around for like a while, a long while. But if this is good, drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent washing machine. All right, guys, take care.